Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. If your hair has been feeling dry, lifeless, and frizzy, I have the perfect natural remedy for you today. This is a deeply conditioning hair smoothening pack that you can make with just three simple ingredients from your kitchen. It works like a luxurious spa treatment to instantly soften rough hair, tame frizz, and add a beautiful healthy shine. This pack is my secret weapon for fighting hair damage and bringing brittle hair back to life, making it feel incredibly soft and manageable. The power of this hair pack comes from its wonderfully nourishing ingredients. The first is a ripe banana, which is a powerhouse of potassium, silica, and other nutrients. These nutrients work together to moisturize the hair, improve its elasticity to prevent breakage and split ends, and impart a lovely sheen. Next, we have fresh coconut milk, which is rich in lauric acid, proteins, and vitamins. Its healthy fats penetrate deep into the hair shaft to moisturize from within. Finally, we use fresh malai or milk cream. It is loaded with fat that acts as a superb natural conditioner, coating each strand to smooth the hair cuticle, combat frizz, and leave your hair feeling silky soft. When you combine these ingredients, you create a complete moisture bomb for your hair, restoring its natural lipid barrier and giving it the deep nourishment it needs to heal and thrive. To make this hair pack, you'll want to use the freshest ingredients possible. First, to make fresh coconut milk, grate some fresh coconut into a bowl. Add a little warm water and squeeze the gratings firmly with your hands to extract the rich milk. Strain this mixture to get smooth, creamy coconut milk. To get fresh malai, simply boil full fat milk and allow it to cool down completely. A thick layer of cream or malai will form on top. Gently remove this layer with a spoon. To make the hair pack, take half a ripe banana and a mortar and pestle. Add in 1 tablespoon of the fresh malai and then pour in enough fresh coconut milk to help it blend easily. Grind everything together until you have a completely smooth lump-free paste. I would suggest straining it to get a smooth paste. To use the pack, apply it generously all over your hair, from the roots right down to the ends. Wait for half an hour to let it work its magic, and then wash and condition your hair as you normally would. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge. Please note that the pack will likely discolor and turn brown due to the banana oxidizing, but it is still safe to use. For the best results, use it immediately. It will stay good for 2 to 3 days when refrigerated. This hair pack is a wonderful treatment for anyone with dry, damaged, frizzy, or chemically treated hair. You will notice a significant reduction in dryness and frizz from the very first use. With consistent weekly treatments, you'll also see a reduction in split ends and a great improvement in your hair's overall health and shine.